Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So you should have started out watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy, you have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and sometimes my lovely Sis Cat. All right, so don't hate me, but I'm going to do another split cup. I swear I'll get off of them one day. I've just got some colors mixed up here. They're all custom, so seriously, I've put like a million things in. I'm using up some old colors, but I wanted kind of a springy looking color palette. So I'm just gonna put one in each chamber like I did this last time, and we're gonna just put it on a round that I cut out, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. We're gonna wing it. You know how it is. Sometimes it's awesome when you wing it, sometimes it's not, but we're gonna roll with it and see what we can do. All right, so I am just gonna play some music, and I am gonna let you guys watch as I put the colors in the cup. Get my round, and I will be right back, and we will pour this out and see what happens. All right guys, I'm back. I've put my pillow paint down, which is a PPG paint in white, or like an off-white, sorry. It's satin interior. I've got my cup here. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it. I'm not quite sure what I want to do. I know these got a lot of bubbles in it, so I've been kind of popping them a little. I think I'm just gonna maybe go in like a circular kind of pattern. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna, you know what? I think I do know what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's rock this. I can hear my every heartbeat. I can feel the blood rush through my veins. Guys, I think I'm going to use this swipe tool, and I'm going to use black, oxide black for my cell activator. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to put some cell activator on here, and we are going to roll with it.
just take my hand, 'cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go!
You got me tiptoeing around you like you made of glass. Got an invincible fence letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you made of glass. Got an invincible fence letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. Got an invincible fence letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. I've got my moves, I've got my song. When I turn my mojo on, I'm feeling fine, I'm
to bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is with the light on. Actually, I mean, it turned out really pretty. I was really scared for a while, but not bad. I wish I could have left some of the outside, you know, that I did. There's a little bit, but I just had way too much paint on, as I usually do. It's definitely a struggle for me, no doubt. But these are different colors. They're not something I use all the time, so I do like it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys with the camera light off, and we will see what you think of it like that. Alright guys, here she is with the light off. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments as well. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. Then we have Sis Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. After her, we have Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. So don't go anywhere. We got a lot left for you. Love you guys. Have a great day or night, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.